In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Reels from Instagram without the Instagram watermark. Let's get into it. So to do this, we need to head over to SnapInsta. I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description of this video. Once we get on this site, we can click where it says paste or Instagram and then just simply paste in the link that we've copied from the reel that we want to download and then choose the download button. Once it's processed that, it will give you the option to download the video. There will be some ads that pop up. It is a free website, so of course you'll see some ads. And as we can see, it's downloaded our reel right here. What I'm going to do is drag this to my desktop, and then I'm going to open it to show that we have downloaded this video without any watermark within the video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more creative fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.